Hey guys, welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero. This is Ken. In this video, I'll show you some Chinese Chengyu, or idioms. They're basically 4-character words with deeper meanings. So I'll say the Chengyu and then the literal translation, and then you guys can take a guess what that means, and then I'll say the actual meaning of the Chengyu. So without further ado, let's begin with the first one. 不三不四. Literal translation, not 3, not 4. And the actual meaning? Someone dubious or shady. Did you get it right? 长话短说. Literal translation, long talk, short say. And the actual meaning? To make a long story short. Did you get it right? 画蛇添足. Literal translation, to draw a snake and add the feet. And the actual meaning? To ruin something by adding unnecessary details. Did you get that? 井底之蛙. Literal translation, a frog at the bottom of a well. And the actual meaning? Someone with limited worldview. Did you get that right? 守株待兔. Literal translation, guard a tree stump waiting for rabbits. And the actual meaning? To wait passively for an opportunity. Did you get that right? For more idioms like this and other Chinese free learning resources, visit Language Player.